Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Pocket Casts application if it keeps on crashing on you. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Pocket Casts application on your device, but the application keeps on crashing without any reason or explanation, then there are a few steps that you can take to try and fix this issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and just search for the Pocket Casts application. Once you find the application, just tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this to install the latest updates on your device. After waiting for a while, you will once again see the open button, which means that the latest updates have been installed. Just try opening up the application now, and this might just fix your issue of Pocket Casts crashing. But if this still doesn't work, then you can long press on the Pocket Casts application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. This will then take you into the application info page for the Pocket Casts app. First of all, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. From the storage menu, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner in order to clear all of the user data from the Pocket Casts app. After tapping on this, just tap on the delete button to confirm your decision, and after this step you will need to log in to your account once again when you open up the Pocket Casts app. But now after you log in, you will notice that the issue has been fixed and your application is not crashing anymore. But in the rare chance that your application is still crashing, then you will need to send a support email using the Pocket Casts application page from iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Within this page, tap on App Support drop-down menu and you can use the email address that is displayed within in order to directly send your email and let the support team know that your application is crashing all the time. And there you have it. That is how you can solve the issue of the Pocket Casts application if it keeps on crashing. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.